Come back to chapter 6, uses of minerals. The table below shows how we use minerals every day. In every day of our life, how we make use of these minerals. Okay. The steel used in our buildings is made with iron. Whatever the steel are used for our building purpose, that is all made out of iron. Bricks. Bricks are made using rocks and minerals such as sand, clay and limestone. Bricks are made by using the sand, clay and limestone. All these are all these three are mixed and made the bricks. Pavements. Pavements by the side of roads are made of concrete, which is a mixture of crushed rocks and limestone. The pavements, pavements which is made side of the road, that is pavements means the footpath is called, it is made of the mixture of crushed rocks and limestone. Calcium found in milk helps us build strong and healthy bones. The calcium which we get from the milk, it helps us to make our bones strong and healthy. Fruits. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of potassium, magnesium and other minerals that our body needs. For our body we need the potassium and magnesium, and that potassium magnesium we get from the fruit. Clay, pottery, porcelain, dishes and glasses too are made from rocks and minerals. And whatever the pottery items, whatever dishes, glasses we use in our kitchen, all these are made from the rock minerals. The countertops in some kitchens are made of granite. In the kitchen we have countertops that are also made out of granites. Now minerals in India. Which are the minerals we get in India and the major state where we get those minerals and their uses. Iron. Iron is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. Iron is used to make steel. Iron and steel are used for making utensil, tool, machines, railway coaches, engines, cars, buses and bridges. Copper. Copper is found in Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. And its uses are: copper is mainly used for electrical wiring. Copper is also used for making certain tools and utensils. Coal. Coal is found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Coal is used for cooking and heating. Coal is also used for producing electricity and running machines in factories. Petroleum. Mumbai, high off the coast of Mumbai, Assam and Gujarat. These are the states we get petroleum. Petroleum is used for making plastics and cosmetics. Petrol and diesel obtained from petroleum are used for running vehicles. Kerosene is used for cooking and other purposes. Aluminium. Aluminium is found in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Aluminium is used for making aircraft and building materials. Limestone. Limestone is found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Limestone is used in making cement. Now conservation of minerals, how we have to protect these minerals. Okay. These minerals resources are limited and take millions of years to form. and these are very limited minerals, and they to form the another sources, it takes a lot of time. It takes millions of time. Therefore, we have to protect them. They are therefore non-renewable, and therefore these minerals are called non-renewable. Some of the ways to conserve our mineral resources are listed below. How we have to protect them, which are the ways we can protect these minerals, because they are very limited and it takes a lot of time to form again the minerals. So we can reduce the use of petrol and diesel by using public transport such as bus and metro. When we use public transport, and if we do not use our private transport often, then we can save the petrol and diesel. We can take turns to drive each other to office by working out carpools with neighbors to save fuel. To save the fuel, we should take turn-wise. We should drive the office working carpools, so we can use the fuel. A large amount of coal is used to make electricity. We must save electricity to preserve coal. Means coal is used for the electricity purpose also. Therefore, when the electricity is there, we should not use the coal. And in this way, we can protect the coal. We must use alternate sources of energy such as sunlight, wind and water to generate electricity. There are alternate sources like sunlight, wind and water. All this we can use for the generating the electricity. If we do all these things, I am sure we will save the minerals. So students, here we finish our chapter 6, soil and minerals in India, soil and minerals of India. Once again, all of you go through this lesson from first to last and keep reading. Thank you.